I didn't post any videos for August, but I'm planning 2 videos for September, so I hope all will go well and I can upload them promptly. Today is actually Friday and I just got off from work and I'm actually getting ready to head out. I wanted this vlog to be like something more casual, so yeah, I will just film like clips of everything, I guess. I actually did a few crochet works over last week and also this week. One of it was actually like my husband's DIY. His name is Haris. He wanted like a box. So basically he writes and he has a storage box by the side, and he wanted something like to hold everything in place when he opened it. So I did like a rectangle piece and also attached like 2 triangles by the side so that when he opens it, all the stuff will be rolling around. So apart from that, I also did some wavy scrunchies. I'll show you guys in a bit. And I also worked on some like stitch markers. I have like new designs coming up, and I've been working on bubble tea holders as well. But I haven't launched any yet, but I'm still working on design. And I also worked on my granny square cardigan. So for my granny square cardigan, it took me about like 1 week because this ends, I have to weave in all the ends. That's like a lot of ends, so it took me quite a while. Yeah, I think that's all for what I did in August. Also some custom orders. What else did I do? Yeah, I didn't crochet a lot of cardigans. Sorry if the lighting isn't that great, it's because it's at night and I'm in the dining area. But I wanted to quickly show you guys these patches which I made. These are 5 by 5 inch patches, and I'll be sending them out tomorrow to, I think it's California, that's where she stays. It's Erin B here on YouTube. She's doing a patchwork community cardigan. So she's requesting for 5 by 5 inches square or patches that it can be crochet or knit, sent to her so that she can compile and consolidate all into a nice like jumper or cardigan or sweater kind of thing. So I accidentally packaged these two already yesterday, so I'll not be opening them up to show you, but she'll be doing an unboxing, so you can head over to her channel to view that. But I just wanted to show you guys these. Yeah, I also tagged each of the patchwork with the yarn that I use. So for example, this one, I have the Lion brand Pima Cotton and also the Piro Framboise yarn. So I'm actually gonna give her one, it's only I think 25 grams or something. But this is from, it's 40 grams. This yarn originates from Japan. So I wanted to just let her try because it's really like fun and cute. So yeah, basically this batch is all Pima Cotton mixed with Framboise yarn, except for this is just Pima Cotton. Like I mixed 2 kind of yarns together, like 2 colors. Then from this one, it has the Framboise one. Then in the middle is like Red Heart Super Saver acrylic yarn, and this is the Piro yarn, bulky yarn, and I think the inside is also Red Heart Super Saver. So yeah, I'll be mailing these out tomorrow. I'll try to get snips from the mail from the post office. So I also added some cute stickers inside the pack and also a note for her. And I thought, like, since I'm mailing it to somewhere far, but I so I just send like 15 patches and not just like one patch, because that will not be worth the shipping fee. So yep,